I'm doing a video. Shh. Quiet in the bleachers. That's not vegan. Hello? Oh, for fuck's sakes. I'm trying to do a video here. I can't have a bad studio audience. Hello people. Today we have the Wolverine from 1992. The best edition there is. And vegan Tikka Masala with Kingland dairy-free yogurt and poppadoms. Poppadoms. And we got potato in here, many kinds of potato, sweet potato, onion. Good. And healthy. This particular Wolverine is based on the TV show that was back in the 90s, which is the X-Men. Oh, yum. Better than takeaway. Yum. Wolverine's a X-Man. One of the X-Men. His real name is Logan. Hugh Jackman plays him in 9 of the X-Men movies. Instead of Logan, I should have called it Bogan. Stray, mate. He possesses healing powers. That's one of his powers. And he's Canadian. He's a colonial, like me. There was a wild colonial boy. Hugh Jackman was his name. He was part of the science experiment. The people called, well, the Weapon X program kidnapped him and fused adamantium to his skeleton, which is the strongest steel known to man. Some kind of warrior, hey? We ought to send him back in pieces. Got to get some of the good stuff here. Oh, load this up. On the toy here, he's got springy claws that spring out. Bizza! Yeah. His first appearance was in Hulk 180 back in 1974. And he had his first full comic book in 1982. A picture of him on the front cover going like this. Yum. He was born in the 1880s. What a great time to be alive. He doesn't age all that well, as he fought in World War One and World War Two. You looking at me, bub? He's a pretty uncouth character. He uses extreme violence to get his own way. Yum. Oh yeah. Fix a cold, this stuff. Oh. Beautiful. He runs into Professor Charles Xavier, and Charles Xavier convinces him to join the X-Men. So he does. Probably one of the toughest in their lineup. He fights Magneto, but Magneto always beats him because he's got metal on his skeleton, so Magneto just goes and just grabs him mid-air. Can't get near Magneto. His arch enemy though is Sabretooth. In the movies, they're brothers. I need more poppadoms. Where's the poppadoms? Oh. Oh. Yum. Will be a bit. Oh. The Wolverine is a mammal or skunk bear. What a stinker. He's known as being very ferocious. Fights animals larger than himself. Like when Wolverine fights giant robots called Sentinels, which is designed to hunt down and destroy mutants. Oh. If I was going to be a mutant, I'd probably be Wolverine. Have superhuman strength, animal senses. Oh. And heal all wounds. They come in so handy. Like if you fell off your push bike, graze your knee. You wouldn't get a scab, it'd just heal over. Oh. On a skateboard, you do an ollie or a backflip. You stack hard. Heal. That's a video on Wolverine. Please subscribe, share the video, like it, and leave your comments down below. And I'll see you all later. Uru kangaroos.